Are with a look at that.
Okay, so the purple you see, this is nothing. Just ignore that. The red, ignore that. This is not to be ignored. This is the leading edge of the high winds, this great green area that you see, which is already in western Carver County. So this is mostly winds, straight line winds starting to come into Carver County as we speak. And this is going to be out ahead of the rain. So you won't even get hit with the rain necessarily before you get hit with the high winds. And then the rain will follow that next.
I'm going to tape the high winds.
This is all western Carver County, Waconia. This is very close to you now, and it's racing. I mean, 60 miles per hour. It's not going to take long. Sam, can you throw a storm tracker on that and give us when we
get a storm tracker, baby?
Yeah. So let me get back onto the radar image. Seems like that's the one most people understand the best. So this is basically where we have those damaging straight line winds, and again moving at about 55 miles per hour to the east. I'll have to zoom out in order to get that wind speed on here, just the way our graphics work. So just give me 1 second.
I'm going to guess that this is about less than 15 minutes out of Waconia, if even that, maybe 12 minutes away, but coming in very quickly. And this is going to continue moving into the metro.
Wow.
So once this gets to Waconia, and the computer is estimating that at 8:30, I'm going to say it's probably more likely about 8:20, just based on where this is in relation to Waconia right now. Glencoe, you're probably just feeling the highest winds at this moment. Remember that this has had a history of producing winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. Now, this is going to be coming into the Twin Cities here.
Fast,
it doesn't mean that the entire Twin Cities is going to see 70 mile per hour winds. It means that that potential is there. A lot of the Twin Cities will probably just see 50 mile per hour wind gusts on the leading edge, but that's still very significant.
Only 50.
Let's take this down here for a moment and spread out the radar and show the Twin Cities again and how this is coming into the metropolitan area. So the Twin Cities at this moment is in the clear. Just to the west here, though, here comes that line racing toward this area. Sam,
I braced everything up. The cat house up there, so nothing's going to blow around. We had a branch come down already today. It was only 45 miles per hour, maybe. I hear the thunder. And when the winds start coming in, I'm going to be out here. No doubt.
This whole line of storm, you can get a spin up here, we already saw that, and you can get a spin up down here on the southern end of this. So that's what we have to watch for. The areas that are at greatest risk for straight line winds would be right now from New Ulm up to about Glencoe and then up to about St. Cloud. Let's go back to that radar. We'll lock in on this here and just show that. Thank you. So the highest winds right now with this running from about Buffalo right on down to Glencoe and then to about New Ulm. That's where you got straight line winds.
That's going to hit us, man.
The rotating winds up here on the north end and then also down on the south end. Here in the Twin Cities, we're not seeing anything yet, but that is going to change here. Sam, is it possible to grab one of the sky cameras here and just take a look at that?
You bet. Yeah, here's a look. I apologize for the bouncing around between the graphics. Occasionally we go to black space.
No worries. Lots going on here. Okay, so if you look to the back, you can see how the sky is getting much, much darker. That's the leading edge of these storms, and they're going to race in here very, very quickly. There's not going to be a lot of time once these storms get here to go running back inside. So this is the time in the Twin Cities. If you want to get some backyard furniture in, I'd do it right now.
I did that.
Lightning flashing there. Lightning is going to be a huge factor with this as these storms continue to move in. Sam, I'm going to throw it back to you just to ask for some local storm reports. Anything going on?
Just call my dad now. She's coming in, baby. Coming in that wall there. There was that really dark wall. Really dark wall. Then there was a lighter one behind it. That's where the shit is, I think. The thundering never stops. So it's definitely coming. Pretty soon that wind is going to pick up. It's really going to pick up. I just hope this tree doesn't come down on my head. That's one big tree, man. Bust up my poor little deck in my addition. Should be here in about 15 minutes. Okay, it got real calm. Still some thunder, but no wind at all. Not even moving. Look at that. Not moving a muscle. Nothing. But that wall cloud's coming. They said it's heading right this way. They also said it wouldn't rain until after the wind got here, but I'm starting to feel some drops. Sure got dark. It was a lot brighter before. All right, here we go. Trees are starting to go. The light came on. Here it comes. She's a-coming now, boy. Look lighter, but don't let it fool you. That wind's gonna be coming. Miles per hour. Shit falling off the tree already. Windy, man. I don't trust these trees. That wall cloud coming in. Damn, they're hitting now. Oh shit. I'm out of here.
And this is all moving east. We don't get a lot of thunderstorms in a large area producing 60, 70 mile per hour winds. So
trees are too damn big, man. do. Shit's starting to move. Stupid hail. Alright, I'm going to be done with this. Heading downstairs. Take some more tapes later. Ooh, she's coming. This is stupid hail. Taking out all the leaves on the trees. Damn it. One thing I didn't want with hail because it takes all the leaves off the trees. It busts the crap out of everything. Man. Bad news. One of them break the window. Yeah. There goes all the leaves off the trees. Oh, geez. Ho ho! Sounds like popcorn. Bad news though. Stupid. That hail one year took 3/4 of the leaves off the trees and we had no shade for the whole summer. Oh. It's really coming down now. Yeah, look at all the leaves on the ground. Four trees. All the leaves are flying off the top of the tree. The hail's hitting them and then the wind's blowing them. Done.
So this is going to be Highway 169 here into the Elk River and Yoga area.
We're getting clobbered.
So this right here.
Well, you can see the street, but the water just flying down there. Bunch of hail on the ground. White stuff. Billions of leaves. Water running down on both sides of the street, 10 feet out from the curb. Looks like a small river. Yeah, it's just going to be raining now. It's over. It did a lot of damage. Wrecked all the trees. My poor baby out front here. Just got that thing last year. It's just a baby. Yeah, there's the hail. I lost my screen. There's the screen over there. A little water out there, man. Oh, that whole pool's flooded. Holy cow.